Pops, stop ko muna yung sound test. Unbox muna tayo. At only 4.2 watts, the JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker. Nabili ko ng 1,300 pesos from Seller Spoil Store sa Shopee. I know what 1,300 pesos, medyo pricey itong JBL Go 4. But what you're getting is a high quality, great looking product na pwede nyong pang-unli flex, anytime, anywhere. Laman ng box is yung JBL Go 4 speaker mismo in black-orange scheme, mga di ko nababasahin, at ang charging cable na may orange accents. My first hands-on experience with the JBL Go 4. Yung design is rendered for rough play talaga. Sabay reinforced by rubber yung buong body. Maybe to handle the vibration from the strong bass sound as well as the force of impact sakaling malaglag ito. These embossed buttons is a great design. That tactile sensation is really there, no doubt. Some more buttons here on the side, but now it's just printed. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on. Blinking light means it's ready to pair. Bluetooth pairing is pretty much straightforward. Just select JBL Go 4, then tap OK. Pairing successful. And next, sound test na tayo. Okay guys, I'm back. When charging, just plug in the provided USB-C cable on the Go 4. Tapos, iilaw itong red LED dito. Kapag naman full charge na, mawawala na yung ilaw. Ginamit ko for 3 straight hours yung Go 4. Then upon checking sa app, may 60% battery pa ito. So legit, na 7 hours ang playtime nito. Sound performance, the Go 4 focuses very well on the high and mid frequencies, delivering distortion-free sound kahit max volume na. And at the low frequency, the Go 4 performs decent enough here. Ito yung heavy bass sound guys. Dahil nga sa 4.2 watts na maliit na speaker lamang ito, it cannot do justice sa heavy bass music. But again, it does give a decent enough bass sound though. Yung never siyang basag, yan I can guarantee you. Waterproof up to 3 feet so huwag mag-alala if mabasa ito sa ulan or sa beach. Yung strap naman is perfect for hooking a carabiner if you're hiking or biking. No worries if malaglag kasi this thing is built tough. To wrap this up guys, the attractive design, the undeniable sound quality that's JBL, the complementing JBL app, and the 7 hours playtime makes the JBL Go 4 a very likable, maliit na speaker. For its price, I can say we're paying not just for the JBL badge, but for the JBL performance and experience. Thank you so much for watching up to this point guys. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po sila, Mate Swen, out!